Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send the tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. So if you have bought the tickets and you want to transfer them to a friend or family member, this updated method is going to work on both phone and computer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. After that, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in, you are going to see My Account option on the top right hand corner. So after clicking on it, you just have to simply click on the My Tickets option first. Then among the given options, simply click on the option of My Listings, or you can also click on the option of the upcoming events or your past events. So after selecting this option, it is going to show you your active ticket available on the screen. So when you see the active ticket available over here, simply click on it, then look for the option of transfer. Now, if you don't see the transfer button, that means that the event organizer hasn't allowed it yet. Some events unlock the transfer closer to the event date. Now you can enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Just make sure that it is correct because that's where the ticket is going to be sent. Now you can choose how many tickets you want to send if you have more than one. So after clicking on the option of the confirm transfer, Ticketmaster is going to send them a link. Once the person accepts the ticket, they will appear in their Ticketmaster account. And that's it. That's how you can basically transfer the tickets or send the tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.